Hello everyone, I'm Shubham, and in this video, we're going to walk through the process of creating a new event within your PLGOS dashboard. It's a fundamental step for tracking user actions and understanding their behavior. We'll be creating events by defining actions like clicks or purchases to track user interactions and analyze app performance. Let's begin from the main dashboard. Navigate to the Track and Measurements menu on the left-hand sidebar and select Events. This will bring you to the Events page. From here, you'll see a list of your existing events. To create a new one, click the Create an Event button located in the top right corner. Now, you'll be on the Create an Event page. You can give your event a name and a brief description. Next, we'll define the event schema. This is where you add properties to track with your event. Click on Add Properties and give your property a name, and then select the appropriate data type from the drop-down menu. Once you've defined your event details, you can view the automatically generated code snippet in the Source section. You can copy this code and use it to implement the event tracking in your application. After you're satisfied with your event setup, click Save and Publish at the bottom of the page. You'll see a confirmation message that your event has been successfully created. To view your recent event, click on the View Event button. You can also edit it in the future by clicking the pencil edit option on the right side of the event in your events list. That's all there is to it. You have now created your new event. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks.